In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade and blend text to the background in Canva, creating that sleek, professional look for your designs. Whether you're designing for social media, a marketing campaign, or just want to spice up a presentation, this technique will give your text a seamless appearance, blending beautifully into the background and enhancing your overall design aesthetic. First, we'll begin by heading over to Canva. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for the Login button, typically found at the top right of the screen. Click on it and then proceed by clicking Continue. You may be prompted to select your Google account if you're not already logged in, allowing easy access to your Canva projects. Now that you're logged into Canva, open the project where you want to apply the fade and blend effect to your text. It's essential to save your current design with the text as an image first. This step is crucial as it allows more control over the blending effect. To do this, click on Share, then select the download icon and download your design. Next, to effectively work with the new image, upload it back into Canva. Click on the Upload button, select your saved image file, and wait for it to upload to your Canva workspace. Once the image is uploaded, add a new page in your project, and then drag your uploaded image onto this new page. Once you have your image in place, it's time to adjust its size. Make sure it fits perfectly within your workspace. You might want to crop a little bit at the bottom or adjust the edges depending on where you want the fading to start. This precision allows you to control where the blending effect begins and ends. Now that your image is adjusted, use Canva's Easy Reflections app, which is found in the Apps section. Type Easy Reflections into the search, click on it, and then select Create Reflection. You'll typically want to choose the Above option, which provides that ideal fading effect. Adjust the opacity and offset settings to your preference. These adjustments let you control the transparency and position of the reflection, achieving the desired blend. With the reflection effect applied and to enhance the blending, delete the initial cropped photo. The app will generate a new image with the fade applied. Click on this newly created image and ensure it aligns perfectly with your design background. You may need to flip the image vertically to get the correct orientation. Keep fine-tuning the alignment and size. Once you're satisfied with the look, you might consider duplicating the faded image multiple times to increase text prominence. Each duplicate will add more intensity, making your text stand out while still maintaining that seamless blend into the background. Repeat these adjustments as necessary until the design meets your satisfaction. With your elements aligned and the text elegantly blended into the background, you're all set to finalize your design. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fade and blend text to your background in Canva. Enjoy using this technique to create stunning visuals.